So your question was related to this point ना कि आप developing countries को आप रोक दीजिए बनाने, but that is not possible ही नहीं है. How you will get independent of the developed countries then? देगा भी, they will contribute also and they will take it also because they are the part, they are also the equal sufferers as other developing states. Because you can't say that China has not been affected by this. How can you claim it? It is their potential that they have reached to such a level that now they can come and stand in front of a USA. They can fight. But the point is that they were the equal sufferers. How can you say that they have been not impacted? It is their ability, their agility that they have been able to grow so much. That we think that they are equipped, but they are not in some sense. Okay. All right. Okay, so these are the important points that we have discussed. Rest of the important points you can see from the COP30. Muturao के बारे में लिख सकते हैं. Write down this question. लिखिए. What do you understand by Muturao Declaration? What do you understand by Muturao Declaration? आप इसको ऐसे में भी यूज कर सकते हैं ऐसी चीजों को. ठीक है? Always keep an eye on these things. And what is the purpose behind it? What is the purpose behind it? Okay, there is a very interesting Blue Nationally Determined Contribution Challenge, which has was discussed in COP30. So, 6 countries joined it in COP30. I'll make you right. Launched by Brazil and France. This Blue National Determined Contribution was launched by Brazil and France. And it calls on all countries to place ocean at the heart of their NDC. But they are trying to tell that अगर आप nationally determined contribution देख रहे हैं, अगर मुझे 45% reduction करना है अपना renewable अपना greenhouse emissions का, so can I do it? Either I can just keep the oceans color thing aside, I can just take the territory and from there I can reduce. What they're telling is that if you have to make this number 45% or whatsoever your number is, please make sure that it is inclusive of the areas which are oceans. It is inclusive of the ocean, it is inclusive of the rivers, it is inclusive